Hello, friends. School ERP system, school management solution, or school management application software. This is a very commonly being used application software nowadays. In this digital era, every school needs to be automated. And in this video, we have a perfect solution through which you can really automate your school, your client's school. I mean, if you are a software solution provider, this is going to be a very, very good solution for you to start with. Even if you are starting a digital business, this is a perfect solution where you can start. We have smart school in this video which had been made, which had been developed especially in Indian context. So all Indian schools, level of schools in India can have this software, and the solution is available at a very nominal price just for $59, and the links have been given in the video description. So mainly we are going to discuss all its aspects. So we are going to discuss the various logins, various permission levels, and various levels through which this application runs, and there can be super admin, receptionist panel, librarian, parents, student, accounts, and teacher panel. So all these panels are separately available in this solution, and all logins have their own permissions and capabilities. Okay, so we will take this application starting from the super admin panel. So this is the super admin panel where the all control can be done, and assume yourself as a solution software providers and you have this access. So like when you are trying to or planning to start a digital business, you have this solution like digital b is here. I am going to add the link of this website uh, here in this video description, where you can start a digital business with the help of experts, and you can start discussing what you actually want here on the live chat. So experts will help you, and you can simply choose this solution or any other solution in fact available on the CodeCanyon, and you can request a setup. This is going to be free for you, and you can even choose among different plans, so how you can start your digital business. So it is all going to be very helpful for you. And if you are running a school, you are a school administrator, watch this video until end. It will show you how actually the system works for a school automation. So this is the dashboard where you can take all the insights what is going inside the system, and I will start with system setting. I mean the onboarding on the system. So this is a white label solution, and it can be used by any school, and it can be white labeled. So all the nomenclature logo is going to be changed according to a school that is where it is being used. Like, so this is the initial setup screen, and the general setting gives all the options to change the school name and the school code, phone, and basic details. Further, we have change of logo, the logo, login page backgrounds, the background theme. Overall, the mobile app is also included with the solution. So I'll show you all the aspects like I said. So don't skip any part of this video, even though you can explore all these things at your own, but it is a good idea to discuss all together when we are on this video, and you can explore other solutions available on this channel itself. So for particularly for schools, you'll find at least 10 solutions. So don't worry, it is going to, this solution, a smart school, is going to cover all the things that you actually need for a school, especially a school in India. So the rest of things can be set up here, like fee management and the uh, fee receipt printing and all such setups. So ID auto generation, attendance types you can set here. So low attendance limit, which is generally set to 75%, so it can be set here, and the late and all such things. So all basic setups can be done through this screen. So role assignments and all, like role super admin and the attendance type and all such things. Google Drive setting, WhatsApp settings, and the chat settings if you are providing this, and the maintenance, and even the miscellaneous settings. Okay. So after the basic setup, you complete your basic setup, you can finally launch your software, application software. So in the general setting, we have such screens. Further, we have session settings. So it is a broad screen, a broad solution. So you have to go for all this screen and what actually need for your school, that where it is going to be implemented. In the notification settings, we have all the notification what we want to enable inside the system or through the system, right? And the WhatsApp messaging is very commonly being used, so you can configure the WhatsApp messaging system using the Meta Access token. And further, we have the SMS settings, so you can use your SMS gateway provider here. Basically, Twilio is well configured here. However, you can use your uh, solution like ClickTel is very common, and the custom SMS gateway you can use here. So there are different SMS gateway providers that you can use directly here, and it can be configured in just few clicks. So though no technical knowledge required for doing all this thing. Similarly, we have email settings, like we can set up the SMTP through which the email communication is to be done through the system. Payment methods we can set here, like if we are willing to take the online payments, we have multiple payment gateways here, like commonly used the CC Avenue, the InstaMojo, the Razorpay, most commonly used in India, the Cash-Free, and all major gateway providers can be configured in just a click. So you just need to use the credentials and it is going to be configured or uh, integrated automatically. So print header footer is the next section. So if the you can set the print header image, of course it is going to be the school logo and school details. So this is the setting. And the next is the thermal print. So thermal printers can be used, most commonly being used, so you can enable the thermal printing system for receipts and all, right? Front CMS setting, like front content management system. This solution also offers a front end website. So this is the area where you can set up the basic things like current theme. You can choose among multiple themes how you want to set up the website. If the school don't have any particular website, so it can be generated directly from here. So you don't need to develop a separate website. So okay, so configuration and screens are here. Similarly, we have the role and permissions, which is very important screen, and we can edit the role. What like if we are editing a role of a teacher, we can allow a teacher different roles and the permissions, like the teacher roles. Okay, so this is just a demo instance, so it may not be working here, but yes, definitely all the controls are here. Okay, so in the next screen we have backup and restore for the solution, like DB backup, database backups can be created directly from here, all in single clicks. So language can be set if you are willing to run the solution in different languages. So the good idea is to run the solution in the local language if it is being used in other language, and even Hindi is also available, just in case if the solution is being used in the Hindi school, it can be launched in a Hindi medium as well. Next we have the currency setups if it is being used outside of India or in multiple currencies, uh, which is not logical, I think. So currency can be set according to the country, right? Some add-ons, like uh, if you want to have some add-ons like WhatsApp messaging and the school thermal print system, so you can uh, have add-ons. So by default, this is the super admin, so it has all the add-ons displayed here, but you may need to uh, have them separately when you are using the solution, right? The users, and so how many users are there? Similarly, we have the custom fields, captcha settings, system fields, and the online admission settings. Like if we want to enable the online admission payment options, we can enable. So this is a very good feature which is currently in high demand. So admission can be taken online, and the rest of process can be done at school premise. Five types we can set here. So which five types are allowed? So we are talking about the all the basic setting and all the first time settings which is required for the system. So once you complete the system setting, you are fine to launch the application for particular school. Now we are coming back, and dashboard is here again. So we can now start with the front office, so which is the main area when anyone enters the schools. Like admission inquiry system, admission inquiry modules are here. And so if I show in data here, like this is just for example, uh, this is admission inquiry. So the basic name, email, and the assigned, so who is the counselor assigned, and number of child. So all these things can be done in the front office, like visitor book, who is visiting the school. So a visitor can be added here with the details, basic details. Similarly, admission inquiry can be added here with the basic details, and the phone call logs can also be maintained. So which are the calls, like if it is an outgoing calls, incoming calls, so it can be configured here. I mean, the details can be kept here. Postal dispatch, postal receipts, the complaint, if it is any there, if any complaint are there. So and the setup front office options, so like purpose and all, like staff meetings and marketing purpose list can be. Next is the school, student information module, which is again a very important part, integral part, you can say. So the student details are here. We can add new student details. We can search the students uh, already having in the school. So these are the student details. Like I can show you. This is the complete screen, the full screen where all the details of particular students can be found, and the fees and the fee discounts, the parent guardian details, miscellaneous details can be found here, or can be updated here. So student admission modules gives us option to take admission through this uh, comprehensive form, and all can be filled. So the also the import student option are here in a certain format. So online admission module, the disabled students if it is being handled, and multi-class students, bulk delete options are also here. So we can even uh, choose to delete multiple students at students entry at in a single click. Student categories can be created, like the caste categories, the student house, if it is hostel, so house, and the, like in a school there might be different houses, so it can be created here. And the next module is a fee collection module. Okay, so the collect fee module, most important, and select student selection, and so the fee laser or the fee mechanism works here. So all the details, fee lasers can be seen here, and the details can be seen here, the add fee and the print options. So collect fee, the collect and print options are here. So different modes of collecting the fee. So this is for the complete fee management solution. So all the fee heads can be easily seen here, and it is a error free module. So what I must repeat, the fee module and even the complete solution is error free, but the fee management system free fee uh, lasers can should be always error free, so it is well maintained here, and you can see all the heads. What is required for the fee collections can be easily cleared or controlled here. Offline bank payments also options are here. So these are the options screen, and further it can be details can be seen, or approve payments or reject payments. So for the fee counseling options are here. Fee cancellation. I mean, what it is called, uh, the fee conciliation. Yes, maybe a good word. Uh, Such fee payments, the such fee dues, according to students, it can be easily found and filtered, and all the options for handling all these things are here. So, like uh, print selected, or the records can be selected here, and the printing options goes side by side, and further it can be exported in the Excel file or the CSV format, even the PDF, or can be printed. Uh, so quick P option, the P groups we can create here, and the P master is the thing where we can create all the fee heads. So fee groups can be created, and under group the fee can be uh, configured. Like this is a class 1 general fee group, so the fee code, the amount, the fee types, and further edit options. Since I'm showing you the SQL admins, it has this user has all the permissions to handle the application. Fee type like admission fee, due date can be set here, the fixed amount, the percentage, and the cumulative fee can be set here. Quick fee options are here. So the fee master is very important thing that you have to handle through the module, right? Like this is the details, quick fee if it is applicable, and unassigned fee options are also here. So like this is one of the fee types, fee discounts, fee carry forward options, and the fee reminder. Yes. So active reminder. So before 2 days, and you can activate when the reminder is to be set. And according to your configured communication channel, reminder will be sent. Now, the next module is online courses, which is again a very high demand thing. So the school can run some online courses as well, like online courses are here. I'll show you about the course. This is the course, and the preview of the course can be seen here. So like this is learning management solution. Since it is online, so learning management solution is internally built in, and it can be run through the front end website. Question banks, the offline payment system, the course categories, certificate templates, online course reports, and the basic settings for online course like quiz, exam, and assignments. Behavior records for a school. This is also a very important module. So the assign incident, if it is going to be maintained, like behavior report, I'll show you if the data is available. Yes. So this is the behavior report, and if we take the point, like it is point based, so respect others property, point 10 and all. So this is the behavior uh, records and incidents, and reports can be seen here, and the settings can be done for behavior reports. So this is very unique thing. Multi-branch, if you are running the application for multiple branch, so it can be configured here, and the details can be seen here, and the setting can be done through this screen, right? The G Meet live classes. So live classes details and all. And similarly, we have Zoom live class. So during the COVID period, this feature and functionalities was on high demand, even uh, in current dates. So Zoom is very commonly being used for the online classes and all. Now the income. So if the income, I mean the income laser is being maintained through the systems, like how much income has been earned from the school uniform, monthly bus rentals, and all. So, and such incomes, the income heads can be created here. Similarly, we have expenses. So, all the expenses can be created or maintained here. QR code attendance system is here. Like this is the attendance system using QR codes, and like it is based on camera, in fact. So, camera is to be configured with the application. CBSE examination is a very new module. I mean, not so new, but yes, this is a very important module which has been introduced in the smart school system, and this is very important when the school is running at all levels, like the term 2, the examination modules assign new students, view students, and all these solutions can be explored here and can be used here. So exam schedules can be maintained, the print mark sheet options are here, and like this is the class 1 just pursuing. So based on CBSE pattern, it can be handled well. So the download options are here, like uh, the mark sheet options are here. Like this is one of the mark sheet I will show you. This is mark sheet and the details and all. Okay, this is very good. Similarly, we have in the same module in the CBSE examination, showing you the CBSE examination. Okay, so the online examination. Okay, sorry. So the CBSE examination can have templates, the assigned observation, admit cards, reports, and the settings for the CBSE examination. Next module is the examination module itself. So within the school, so the examination group can be created, the exam schedules, the exam results, and the designed admit card options. So if how you want to show or design the admit card, the print admit card options are here, and similarly we have the design mark sheet options. Since the school is taking exams, so mark sheet will be there, the print mark sheet options, and further the marks grade. So like this is mark grading system. This is very comprehensive and it is very good. And the marks division option. So all these setups can be done through the super admin, right? So all the controls have been given. Next is attendance modules. So a student attendance, which is very common and being it is a daily use thing. So the late, the absent, the holiday, the entry time, the exit time, by default all is set. So just the marking is required, like present, holiday, or whatever, depending. Approve leave, if attendance is there, leaves can be there. Attendance by date, so like particularly for class 2 for a particular date, so attendance can be by the date can be made here. Online examination is the next module. So if online courses are there, the online examination is also here. Academics, so class timetable, the teacher timetable. So I must show you the class timetable screen. This is a very important screen. I should show you. I'll show you the okay. So this is the class timetable screen, and it can be easily handled by the assigned person. So the timetable can also be added here, and depending upon the timetable and the teaching schedules. Teacher's timetable, similarly in the same screen, similar screen, the teacher's timetable can be seen here. So this is the complete data you can see, and room number, allotments, timings. So this is very clear screen, and it is showing all the details. Okay, so the assigned class teachers, like, so who is the class teacher? So class 1, and class on is such and such teacher is assigned. The promote student option. So again, after I select the session, so once the session is promoted, all the students will be moved to the new class. So it is a very uh, important screen, and it should be used very uh, carefully. And the subject groups options and the classes and further sections. Uh, Next is the annual calendar. So annual calendar is again integral part of every school. So annual calendar can be maintained here. Holiday types. Next module is the lesson plan and the lessons. Copy old lessons options are here. So it can be copied from the previous years. And so subject group is to be selected. So its data is not here. Of course, it can be handled. So manage syllabus status, the lessons and the topic. Next is the human resource module, which is again a very helpful module for automating the complete school. Uh, in the human resource module, we have the staff directory, staff attendance is also here. So attendance system is here. So attendance and the search. Okay. So here is the attendance and the entry time and the exit time can be maintained here and accordingly save attendance. Okay. So similarly, we have the payrolls since it is a human resource system. So the payroll can be seen or generated. So if data is here, I can show you. So this is the data and the payroll can be generated in a single click for a particular staff or teaching member or non-teaching. So depending. We have the apply leave, leave type, approved leave request and department, the designation and the disabled staff. Communicate is the next option where we have the notice boards and the send email options are here, the send SMS option and the scheduled email SMS log and all. Download center is the area where we can share, upload and download the contents and the video tutorial as well. So if these are the video tutorials that can be uploaded in the system directly, content type can be set. Again, this is very comprehensive. Homework module. So the teacher can add homework. So like I'll show you the screen for adding homework. And okay. So the add homework option is here. It is very simple. So teachers can easily use this screen. Daily assignments options are here. Okay, so in the library module, we have the book list. This is the complete book list. The issue return, of course, and the add students and the library and add staff members. Similarly, we have inventory management system, issue items, item in stock, item in categories, student CVs, the transport modules. So fee master is also here. So for a particular date range, we can set the transport fee. The routes can be decided and the route can be configured and created new routes. So okay, uh, details. So the details are here. Vehicles, assign vehicle to the route, select route and vehicle can be assigned. This is very good. And the route pickup points for a particular route, the pickup points and the respective timings and student transport fee. Great. Next is the hostel module. So this is also covered. So hostel rooms and the room types and the hostel details can be seen here. Similarly, we have the certificate modules like transport certificate, the student certificate, like uh, I wish to show you the transfer certificate, like this is the transfer certificate option, all having the barcode and the QR code. So digitally, it can be shared easily. The front CMS, like event gallery. So this is for front end website, alumni and the reports. So this is a very comprehensive solution for school management. Now I'm taking you to the another login. So I already shown you the super admin. This is the admin login. So let us assume you are providing the solution. So you are going to be the super admin and the school head, I mean, who is going to handle the solution at school level is going to be the admin. So screens are almost same and I have already explained all the screens. So the admin is having bit low capability from the super admin and the admins can handle the school level things. Now I'm logged in as a teacher, so and the teacher can access the student information thing and the online courses, behavior records and all. So at the teacher dashboard, the fees submission reminders, the staff meetings and all such reminders will be available. A student present today and the present or absent details, and further all the necessary modules have been assigned here. And this is the login from the for the accountant. So the accountant is mainly connected to the fee collection and even some new uh, access, I mean additional access had been given. So all can be handled. So there might be different level and the permissions can be granted by the super admin. In the receptionist screen, there are limited features like the online, the front office area and the system settings. And this is for the librarian. So the thing is that all these modules can be enabled in a single application, and this is the smart school. So there are different logins, different modules as I shown you in the video, and you can explore all these things at your own with all the demo data. Solutions can be availed just for $59, and you don't have to worry about the technical things because when you are buying the solution through the video description link, that is an of course an affiliate link, and you have to buy the solution at theme, I mean the code canyon.net, and the link will help you in reaching the correct destination where you have to make the purchase. And once you buy these solutions, you'll get the quality check by an Envato, all the future updates of this solution, and even 6 months support from the original developer of this solution. In addition to this, as I said, you have the digital DBX program where you can join, you can start, or you can even have a discussion with mentors and experts who can help you in every manner in setting up a digital business, or you can get suggestions how you can start your own digital solution, even the website solutions, the marketing solutions, all things are here. So it is a complete solution uh, platform, and you'll get all the things that you actually need for promoting your business, starting your business and everything. Right. So I believe I have shown you much of the things about this solution, and this is going to be a perfect school management ERP solution from for the schools at all levels, especially for schools in India, and you'll get all the things covered that may be required for a school at any level, as I said. So check all the details, decide the thing that you actually want, and it has got already very good reviews from its existing users, so this can be a perfect tool for school automation. In the next video I'm coming with more solutions to start a digital business, to be a SaaS solution provider, or you can automate your business itself. So keep watching and let us discuss much about your requirement here on the live chat. So the mentors are here. So don't hesitate in asking any question. You are always welcome to ask questions, and we will try our level best to provide you the solution at very nominal cost, or almost um, at zero cost even, we can say. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe the channel, explore the solution, and start a digital business. Thank you.